got some really great bags this year. And these are my ultimate favorites for the year, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, and thanks for joining me in the Babe Cave. Yeah, I have had some amazing bag purchases and gifts this year. So these are my top 10 favorites for 2024. I only have one more bag coming, so I'm going to start out with this one. This one surprised me that I got it for the deal that I got it. It's a large bag, the domed buckle satchel. I got it secondhand, and it is beautiful black Florentine leather dome buckle satchel. Love the stitching on the handles. I love this bag. It was a great deal. It smells good. These are in no particular order. They're just my favorites for the year. So this is the first one I'm showing, the domed buckle satchel from Dooney and Bourke. This was earlier in the year when I had to put down my oldest dog, Lily. She was 15. She was in a bad shape, you know, and we had to make a decision. And that day was a hard day, and we went and did that, and then we went thrifting just to get our minds off of things. And now I found this at a consignment shop, and it was a great deal. It's the Dooney and Bourke equestrian bag, but now this is my Lily bag. Since I bought it on that day, I'm gonna keep this forever, and I will always remember her. So this is a beautiful crossbody bag, lots of room, back pocket. If you haven't tried any of Dooney vintage bags, I highly recommend them. Now some of them are going to be more beat up than others, but this one is perfect, and it has the little gold duck. Yeah, so this is definitely one of my favorites for this year. The next one is no surprise. I wanted it last year, but I finally got it this year, and I have worn this to death. And I'm so happy I was able to purchase it. The Coach soft tabby, the denim, oh, the C's, the back pocket, the straps, the denim. Like, I was denim crazy this year. Surprising enough, I only have one other denim in this top 10 favorites. But this right here was a bag that I had to grab because I couldn't stop thinking about it. It's totally worth it. If you ever come across these, be careful on MERCER because I saw fake ones there. Just know what you're looking for. I have videos on all these bags I'm showing you. I will try to link all those videos down below in case you were interested on the secondhand market for any of these bags. Yeah. Coach denim soft tabby. You all know that's my favorite one. The next one was a company that I tried, the American Leather Company. I really like this Mercer shoulder hobo. It is so super soft leather, nice shoulder bag. I've been into shoulder bags more than crossbodies. And it's a beautiful pink. The interior's nice. It's detachable. I really enjoyed carrying this bag. It's more like a medium size bag. But it holds everything I need. And I just love this. I think it's called Knockout Pink, I want to say. It's so pretty. So yes, definitely a favorite. The next one was my thrifted Ralph Lauren that I missed out on the first time, and then we came across it again. There's a whole story with this bag. And I'll, like I said, link that video down below. It's just top handle. There was no crossbody strap or strap of any kind. It's just beautiful. And I think I paid $17 for this Ralph Lauren bag. So it's definitely a favorite for this year. I love the story behind it. How it came back 2 weeks later. I ended up with the bag because they tried to sell it for $100 and they couldn't. So, yeah, this is a definite favorite for the year. The next one was my husband's birthday gift to me this year. The Denim Coach Rowan Satchel. I've showed this a lot of times. Still, I believe that these type of bags, the Speedy style, is my favorite one. I think I have more of this style than any other of my bags. But yeah, I love the big coach on the front. The denim feels good. Yeah, definitely an awesome gift for my birthday this year. Next one was a gift from Says What. This is amazing. It's a sample bag. It was gifted to me from Says, which was really sweet. She knows that I love this flower. I got married in Mexico and was holding a bouquet of flowers that looks very similar to those. And this one is called the Kendra Satchel, and it has side pockets and the strap and adjustable top handles. It's just beautiful. And it's not everyone's taste, but for me, the flowers just, oh, I love this bag. This is definitely a top 10 favorite for this year. Thanks, Suz. This next one is kind of new, a newer bag that I got. It's the Portland Leather Good Margot crossbody, mini crossbody, and it's beautiful and smooth and smells good. Here's the back of it. I'm going to be honest, I have not worn it yet. I am going to wear it. I just haven't gotten into it yet. And I haven't been switching bags as much. So I need to get back into the rhythm of changing into different bags to get the wear out of them. So I am going to wear this beautiful bag from Portland Leather Goods. It is a favorite. This one kind of surprised me. I've been grabbing this Coach bag for over and over again. Like I said, I'm into shoulder bags lately. It has a back pocket, the giant turn lock. I still don't really know what the name of this bag is, but it's beautiful pebbled tan leather. Goes with everything. It has definitely been one of my favorites. And finally, this one that I just got. This is going in the top 10. It is more than I imagined. Beautiful, well constructed. The leather is amazing. The horse is the brand and Clementine. And this is in the color coffee. I am loving this. It is the perfect size. I think it's like a medium-sized bag. I'm still in it. And I am so impressed. Now I want to look at other bags on the horse website because I'm so impressed with this. So this was definitely a top 10 purchase for me, and I love the silver chain on it. So it wraps up 2024 on my favorites, and I probably will do another video of ones that just didn't work out for me that I ended up selling, and I'll do that video at some point. And yeah, I have some really nice top 10 favorite bags. These are more affordable range bags. I didn't buy Louis Vuitton. I'm not even sure I got it. I just was not into paying those prices this year. 2024, I was like, nope. And I wanted to do more affordable, budget friendly bags. And these that I showed you are all under, I believe my most expensive bag was the Coach Denim Soft Tabby. And I think that was around $300. So these are all under $300. Beautiful bags, made so good, and that's why they're in my top 10. It's been a great year. And I have slowed buying bags to get more bags out of my collection, and I'm still purging, so always check my Poshmark and Mercari down below. And yeah, that's all I have for today of my favorites. Tell me what you think. Do you agree with my favorites, and which one is your favorite of my top 10? Let me know down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. I always like to interact with you guys and get your feedback, and I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers, so I am not sure about a giveaway or what I'm going to do for it, but I will do something once I hit 2,000 subscribers. So thank you. And I will talk to you all soon on the next video, but until then, bye.